This is Netra, studying 6th standard, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel, also like, share and comment my video. Governance. Assam Skill Development University Bill. Government of Assam approved the Assam Skill Development University Bill, which provides for setting up of world-class skill university at Mangal-Doi, Darang district at a cost of 900 crore rupees. The university will be the first of its kind in the Northeast region and will be financed by Asian Development Bank. Nationally determined contributions. Transport Initiative for Asia. NITI Aayog launched the India component of the NDC to TIA. The NDC-TIA India team will focus on establishing a multi-stakeholder dialogue for decarbonizing transport and providing technical support on greenhouse gas emission reduction measures in India. India's think tank NITI Aayog will be the implementing agency in India. It is supported by the International Climate Initiative of the German Ministry for the Environment, Nature Conservation and Nuclear Safety. The main objective of the program intends to support the development of policies and regulations to promote electric vehicle charging infrastructure uptake and smooth wide-scale adoption of electric vehicle in India. National Food Security Act. The Centre has asked states and union territories to identify persons with disabilities eligible under the NFSA 2013 and issue ration cards to those left out. The Union Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry wrote to all chief secretaries on August 26, reiterating the instructions issued by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution on August 22 to all state UT, Food and Civil Supply Secretaries to identify PWD. Atmanirbhar Bharat package of the Government of India is for persons who are not covered under either NFSA or any state scheme PDS cards. Hence, disabled persons without ration cards are also eligible. Integration of ICAR, IIHR seed portal with SBI's Yono Krishi web application. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare virtually launched the Integration State Bank of India's Yono Krishi platform with government's online seed portal, Indian Council of Agriculture's Research and Indian Institute of Horticulture Research. This will help the farmers in increasing the crop production along with the crop quality and income generation. With this integration, farmers will also be able to purchase seeds certified by the Research Institute. United Nations Security Council resolution on women peacekeepers. India's permanent mission to United Nations announced that it has decided to co-sponsor a UN Security Council resolution that calls for the full, effective and meaningful participation of women personnel in peacekeeping operations. The mission added that India is proud to co-sponsor the resolution which was put forth by Indonesia. Environment. African baobab. The African baobab, known as the tree of life, can live for over 1,000 years. It aims for the medicinal compounds and many such products A recent study in scientific reports finally finds that the tree has 168 chromosomes. These studies will be useful in genetic conservation efforts. Butterfly migration. The annual migration of butterflies from the hill regions of the Eastern Ghats towards the Western Ghats is an early phenomenon this year. Usually, butterfly migration in South India begins in October to November with the onset of the northeast monsoon from the plains to the Ghats, and in April to June, just before the advent of the southwest monsoon from the Ghats to the plains. 4 species of milkweed butterflies belonging to the Dania vine subfamily are mainly involved in the migration. The dark blue tiger, common crow, and the double-banded. Change in rainfall pattern and a considerable increase in the number of sunny days could be among the reasons. Science and technology. Andromeda. Using Hubble Space Telescope, scientists studying the halo of our nearest neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, find that at 1.3 million light-year spread, the halo is stretching almost halfway up to the Milky Way. The galaxy's halo appears to be already bumping into that of the Milky Way. Security. Tunnel along Jammu to Pakistan border. The Border Security Force reported finding a tunnel along the Jammu to Pakistan border in Samba, Jammu and Kashmir by Border Security Force. The BSF said it found Pakistani-made sandbags with markings of Sangara Karachi factories at the mouth of the tunnel. The tunnel has been found days after the National Investigation Agency filed a charge sheet in the 2019 Pulwama terror case. The tunnel starts in Pakistan along the border and ends in Samba, according to Jammu BSF IG. Infrastructure. Chardham Project. A group of 40 scientists, environmentalists and ecologists have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding to a halt to the Chardham road construction work. The Chardham project is an ambitious attempt by the Modi government to widen nearly 900 km of hill road to improve access to pilgrimage spot in Uttarakhand. It aims to connect Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath. Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.